Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Tacoma DoubleCab V6 with the manual transmission and your TRD Sport Upgrade Package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 pickup truck in a unique and head-turning cement gray metallic. With your sport package, you have your upgraded sports tune suspension as well as your Qi wireless charging station with heated leather interiors and a power tilt and slide moonroof to tie everything together.
Helping you into your Tacoma is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. On the side here, you have your power windows as well as your power lock and power adjustable side mirrors. Over on the side here, you have your cargo bed lamp as well as that 120 volt AC plug-in. You also do have your fully automatic high beams plus that clutch start to help you out on those hills. And taking a look at your all-weather floor mats, it comes with a full set to keep everything nice and tidy. And check out the detailing put into your cool leather interiors with that center detailing that adds that 3-dimensional quality and sporty touch. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof. Definitely going to be nice to have open with that rear slide window, letting in all that fresh air during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on in and start it up. Starting up your Tacoma, simply put your foot on the brake and the clutch as you put the key in the ignition here. That dashboard's going to start up with that cool welcome screen, and check out that blue ambient lighting that ties all of that sporty style together. It does say that you have a low fuel warning, but we'll make sure you have a tank of gas for when you take it out on your test drive. As you can see, it's also open to your multi-information display. Right now, it's on the setting page for your Toyota Safety Sense features like your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert, which you can set from your steering wheel mounted controls. So when setting, you can turn on and off the alert as well as set the sensitivity of those sensors. You have your volume control, mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on your steering wheel, as well as your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You have your cruise control option below here, as well as your cool leather wrapped steering wheel with that perforated detailing. Again, sporty style all throughout your Tacoma. Opening up your applications on your LCD screen now, you can see that you have your navigation system, a great feature to have, especially when you're taking your Tacoma on those roads. You also do have your audio system here with your AM FM radio. You have your Sirius XM radio, and you have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring that music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you just got to push it all the way to the side and up, and your backup camera pops up there. It's a great safety feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here you have your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger. It has that stunning modern styling. Of course, you need your 4x4 option, plus you have your heated seats mounted on your dash here as well for both your driver and your passenger side, plus your heated side mirrors, perfect for those cold Alberta winters. You have your blind spot monitor, which the alert pops up on your side view mirror to keep you, again, nice and safe, and that's part of your star safety system. You have your power slide rear window, USB auxiliary input, 12 volt DC charger, and a great technology feature to have with your upgrade is your Qi wireless charging station. So you have that light there as well as your charging pad. You simply put your phone on, turn on the power, and it will charge for you without wires all over the place. Of course, you have your leather trim on your shift knob with your parking brake. You have that chrome detailing on your cup holders, and plenty of space to store everything that you need in your center console with another 12-volt DC charger in case you need to charge your iPad or your other media for work. Inside of your glove box, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know, everything there is to know about your Tacoma, plus there's a lock to keep things nice and safe. Plenty of stylish and functional features built right into your truck, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Take a closer look. You do have that cargo lamp in the back for visibility. You also do have your power slide rear window to let in all that fresh air during those hot summer drives. Below here you have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You also do have your trailer equipment and your spare tire storage underneath. Opening up your easy lift and lower tailgate, it slides down nicely, so no more slamming it down anymore. You have your handy cargo bed liner, plus plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your 120-volt AC plug-in in case you're working in the back of your truck here. Closing it up now, you can see that you have that unique Tacoma badging as well as your chrome V6. As we take one more look at the back of your Tacoma.
Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota Tacoma DoubleCab V6 with the manual transmission and your TRD Sport Upgrade Package. Built right into your truck is your standard Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.